Let's see transpose technique in Power BI desktop. By using transpose in Power Query editor, you can swap rows and columns to better format the data. Let's have a look at an example. I have sample data with top 10 cities with country by population. You can see here the columns are in a horizontal manner. For creating charts and other visualization, it should be in a vertical manner in Power BI desktop. Let's see how we can transpose it to make it useful. Straight away we'll go towards the Power BI desktop and go to Excel workbook to import the data. We have transpose file over here. Open it. So we have the sheet available. We will not load this one in the Power BI desktop. We will go and transform this data into Power Query editor. So here you go. We have some null values over here. First of all, we will remove all the null values. All the values are in rows and columns. So I will go over here and choose remove rows. Remove top rows from here. And you can see I have 3 rows available with the null with respect to the top rows. So I will write 3 over here and hit OK. So they're gone. And then we have other null values as well. So I will go and select the keep rows function over here. Keep top rows. And I will give the number how many rows that I have to keep. So it's 3. And hit OK. So here you go. The country, cities, and population, just like Excel sheet we have in front of us. Now what we'll do, we have to transpose the data, and the ultimate goal is to have 3 columns of country, cities, and population in a vertical manner. So I will go towards the transform and transpose it, and we have a simple tooltip. Transpose this table, reading rows as columns and columns as rows. I click over here. So here you go. You have the tables with the separate columns available over here in the vertical manner. Now what I'll do, I will select this row as the top headers of this table. So I will go over here and select from this tiny option, use first row as in headers. So here you go. In this manner you can transpose the table correctly in the Power BI desktop. Now what we will do for these null values, we have other functions as well. Let's go and check it out. Let us see the fill down and fill up options. So right now you can see over here we have a lot of data on the country, cities, and their population. And if I start filling manually, like if I start filling the manually data from here to the 10 and other countries and the cities, so it will take some lot of time and headache for me to manually do the things one by one. If you want to fill in that null values automatically, there are some simple steps. Let's go and check it out. So now what you are gonna do, in the very tab, this transform tab, you will see a fill option, fill down and fill up. Right now you can see we have country with the downwards manner the null values. So if I go over here and select the down fill up button, so what it will do, let's see, it will automatically fill in the null values with the respective country. So you do not have to go again and again put the data manually by yourself. So it is obvious you're working with Excel sheet, it will take lots of time to fill up manually, and if you are using any ETL tool other than Power Query, so it will take some time and formulas to do some serious stuff.